here's the problem, Richie. 1, 2, 3 over here. So, because you guys need to pay attention, there are some rules for this puzzle. I know you guys like puzzles, so obviously we need to understand. Okay, what are the rules for today's puzzle? All right, so now let's get started. Now, secrets in a grid, but really, it's not. There's not much secrets. It's just harder puzzles that we're going to do today. So let's see Wukong and Una. Una, do you know Sudoku? And many of you have learned how to do Sudoku with me before. Yes, Wukong, Sudoku is my favorite and I love it because it's a lot of fun. Well, me too, Una. In fact, Sudoku has many different variations, which means we have lots of different versions. Today, we're going to learn the upgraded version of Sudoku together. So basically, the puzzle today is going to be a little bit different Sudoku. All right? Oh, that's great. Una can't wait anymore, same as you guys, I'm assuming. So here are the rules, guys. So listen very, very carefully. So here's all the three main rules for today's puzzle, guys. So first of all, we need to fill in numbers 1 and 2 and 3 in each row and column without repetition. So for example, guys, you should have 1 and 2 and 3 for every row and for every column, but nothing should be repeating. Okay, so meaning, guys, is this okay? Do you think this is okay? No, you can't have one repeating. All right? So these are the rules for today's lesson. So now, the number in the top left corner with the plus sign, everybody, that means you need to add all the numbers in the colored box. So for example, guys, 2 and 3 could be your answer because 2 plus 3 equals to 5. But also, there's another one, last rule, which is the easiest rule, guys. If there's only number on the top left corner with nothing inside, like this one over here, that's just the answer of that box. So, that means this is number 3, guys. Okay, so does everybody understand the rule of today's puzzle? Okay, it's okay if you don't because I'm going to show you slowly. Now, so guys, this is the only box with no plus sign, which means that's the answer. And then, guys, we need to look around what's close to this number and think about it. Hold on a second. How do I make 5? Well, I could make 5 1 and 4 and 2 and 3. But guys, are we allowed to have 4? No, it said 1 and 2 and 3 only. So that means 1 and 4 doesn't work, so it's going to be 2 plus 3 or 3 plus 2. So, okay, if that's the case, can I write 2 plus 3 like this, guys? Is this okay? No, because you can't have the same number repeating on each row or column. So that means, guys, so would you agree that we definitely know that it's going to be 3 here and 2 over here, guys? Can we definitely know that's the answer? Yes. Good. So you always want to do what you definitely know for sure. And now, guys, remember, the first rule is we need to have 1 and 2 and 3 for every row and column. So that means, have a look over here. What are we missing at this little box? What are we missing? Number 1. That's it. Well done. And now, guys, Look at this, it's 3 plus. So 1 plus what equals to 3, guys? It's going to be 2. And then, once you solve some puzzles, guys, you will find it really easy to fill out the rest. Because look, guys, what are we missing? 1 and 2. Ah, we're missing a 3. And guys, look, 3 plus 1 equals to 4. And look, it makes sense. 1, 2, 3 over here as well. And now, let's have a look at the middle column. What are we missing? 3 and 2. Oh, so we're missing a 1. And that means the last one is going to be 2. So this is how we solve the puzzle. Does that make sense, everybody? Yes, good. All right, so well done. So now, that was a small puzzle, but we also have a big puzzle like this, guys. So look, same rules, but now, since we have a bigger puzzle, we need to fill in numbers 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. So raise your hand if you can help me solve this puzzle. Okay, so let's have Raichi. Hello, Raichi. Hello, Raichi.
Hello.
Hello. Is your name Raichi? Am I calling your name correctly?
It's Richie.
Oh, it's Richie. Ah, hello, Richie. I've changed the name for you, just making sure. Okay, now if you remember, what was the most easiest ones to do first?
The ones with no plus sign.
Good. Which is this one and this one. So what do we write inside these boxes?
So the light blue one is 2, and like the dark grayish one is 4.
Okay, now you need to look around close to your answer. So what colored box should we do next? So this is the hardest part, figuring out what to do next.
Do the 2 boxes on top of the 4?
Oh, this one? Yeah, I think that's a good idea because it's very close to this answer. Oh, all right. So what does 3 plus mean? What does that mean?
The 2 numbers have to plus into 3.
Good. So which is 1 and 2, right? So is this going to be okay, 2 plus 1?
No,
Why not?
because it's the same with the column.
This is a row, not column. Column is downwards, rows are sideways, okay? So yeah, we have 2 already on this top row. So it's not going to be 2 and 1. It should be 1 and 2. So now, Richie, I think the last box at the right bottom corner is going to be easy. What do you think? What are we missing?
3.
Yes.
3.
And if you fill this box, do you know what this number is going to be?
2.
Good. Okay, now what's next?
The one under the blue 2.
Okay. What numbers are you thinking of?
4 and 3.
Okay, so 4 and 3. That works, but here's the problem, Richie. And listen carefully, guys. 4 and 3 will work, but 3 and 4 will also work, don't you think? Right now, we don't know. So you should only do the ones you definitely know. So if there's 2 possible answers, you need to do this later. Does that make sense, Richie?
Yes.
Okay, so let's do this one later. So let's try something else. So that's not the good one. What's a good one?
The one on the right of the blue 2.
You mean this one?
Yeah.
Okay, so how do you make 7?
4 and 3.
4 and 3, but again, 3 and 4 also works as well, right? So it's not a good one. So see, finding the best one that we know for sure is the hardest part of this puzzle. And let me give you a tip. Have a look at this one. How do you make 3, Richie?
Yes. Put the 2 on the top and the 1 on the bottom.
Yes, we definitely know. We will definitely know it's going to be 2 and 1 because you can't have 2 at the bottom. Very good. So now, we have a nice easy clue.
It's going to be 4.
That means at the top it will be
1.
good. And we have a lot of clues now. Okay.
3.
That means this is going to be
1.
and now, easy one as well.
3.
Good, which means this one is going to be
4.
and we're almost finished. What about this one over here?
3.
And the last number?
4.
Very good. That's how we do this puzzle. Does that make sense, Richie?
Yes.
Okay, very good then. Well done, Richie. So, guys, does everybody now understand how to do these puzzles now? You need to make sure you do the ones that you know definitely first. Okay, so let's have fun with these puzzles, and this is now your turn, guys. All right, so now you need to answer what is the number at this question mark, but I want you to complete the entire puzzle as well. I'll give you guys 3 minutes. So you guys can show me your puzzles in the break, okay? So I'll give you a trophy if you have puzzles drawings, okay? So make sure you try to finish this puzzle in 3 minutes, guys. But if you didn't finish, that's okay. At least please find out what the answer is for this question. Here you go. Good luck. Yes, Olivia, is everything okay? What's the matter?
I'm Livy, by the way.
Sorry?
So I'm late. I'm late. Sorry, I was in a traffic jam.
Sorry, I can't hear you
Sorry
properly.
about
Can
that.
you say that one more time?
Sorry, I'm late. I was in a traffic jam.
Oh, I see. Yeah, don't worry. I'll explain how to do this question, but try your best, okay? Okay, guys, so the time is up. I think we still have some people who need some help. All right, so first of all, the answer for this question is actually A, guys. So well done, everybody who selected A. And now, Olivia, since you came late, let me help you. All right, hello, Olivia.
Livy.
Livy, okay. Is it Olivia or Livy?
It's Livy. It automatically changed. I don't know why.
Okay, I'll change it for you. So is it Livy?
Double V.
Double VY, okay. So I've changed your name for you. Is that right?
Yeah.
Good, Livy. So now, I want you to read all the rules for this question. Read the first rule.
Fill numbers 1, 2, 3, and 4 into each row and column without repetition.
That's the key. You should not repeat. So, is it okay to write like this, Livy?
Absolutely not.
Not. So, now, read the second rule.
The number in the top left corner and the plus sign indicate the sum of all numbers in each
So,
box.
meaning, Livy, 7 plus means it could be 2 and 5. But, are we allowed to have 5?
No.
No, only 1, 2, and 3, and 4. Okay, and the last rule is the easiest rule. Can you read that out for me?
When there is only one number in the top left corner with no operation sign, just fill that number into the cell.
So, have a look at this one. It's going to be easy. The answer for this box is just going to be 1 because there's no plus sign. Does that make sense, Libby?
Yes.
And now, can you find another easy box?
3 in the top corner, green.
Yes, that's right. And now, here's the thing. You need to find what is going to be easy and that you know definitely for sure. So, I'll give you a tip. Always try something near the answer. So let's have a look at this one, the purple box. How do you make 4? Well, I could add 4 by doing 2 plus 2, 1 plus 3, or 3 plus 1. But do you think it's okay to have 2 plus 2?
No.
No, because we're repeating, so that doesn't work. So now, what about 3 plus 1? Do you think this is okay?
Yeah, that would work.
No, Livy.
All right.
So it's going to be tricky. So, okay, so that means, Livy, we will definitely know it's going to be 1 plus 3. Would you agree now?
Yes.
Okay, and now, Livy, let's have a look at the red one. How do you make 3? What plus what equals to 3?
1 plus 2 equals 3. 2 plus 1 equals 3. And that's
Yeah, exactly. But which one is it? Is it 1 plus 2?
No.
We definitely know it's going to be 2 plus 1. Am I correct?
Yes.
So that means the answer for this question is A. But let's finish this puzzle. Now, Livy, let's have a look at the top row. What number are we missing?
4.
Exactly. If you know this is 4, definitely, then what is the missing number at this box then?
That would be. Uh, 3?
Yes, because 4 plus 3 is 7. And that means what number are we missing at this first column?
That means it's 2.
Good. Then what's this number?
That has to be 4.
Good. And then, okay, now we're kind of stuck because there's no easy boxes anymore. So what box would you like to do next?
6 plus?
Okay, so what numbers can you put inside here then?
You can 2 and 4.
Yeah, but here's the issue, Livy. 4 and 2 also works because there's nothing repeating around them. Am I correct?
Yes.
So you should not do this one now. We need to do this later. We need to find the box that we definitely know first. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Okay, so not the yellow box. Okay, pick another one.
Let's try 7 plus.
Okay, so what numbers can we put inside?
We can put
What are the two numbers that you need to add?
4 and 2 maybe.
Really? 4 plus 2 is 7?
Oh wait, no.
Come on, Livy. You're better than that.
4 and 3.
Yes. Now, 3 and 4 will not work because it's repeating, so it's definitely going to be 4 and 3. Does that make sense?
Yes.
So now it's easy. Look, what are we missing?
We are missing a 1.
And that means this is?
2.
And that means this is going to be what?
That is going to be 4.
And the last one?
Will be 2.
Perfect. Do you now understand how to do this puzzle, Livy?
Yes.
Good. All right. And what about everybody else? Do you guys now understand how to do this puzzle? Great. Okay, guys. Maybe, well, you need to do more practice, Kathy, then. All right. So what about this one? Who could help me to do these puzzles together? So, all right. So let's have Ricky. Hello, Ricky. So, Ricky, what box is the easiest ones that we could do first, Ricky?
3 at the top corner
And?
and 2.
Good. So what should we do next?
The 3 plus.
This one? Okay, yes, it's around the answers, so maybe good idea. All right, so how do you make 3?
2 and 1.
Yeah,
Or
but 1 and 2,
or
do you
1
think
and
this will work? Is 1, 2 okay?
No.
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 So it's definitely 2 and 1. Do you agree?
Yes.
So what's this one then?
4.
Okay, but now we have 3 boxes, Ricky. So 4 plus what equals to 7? If we're thinking about 2 numbers.
2 and 1.
So no. I know it's 2 and 1, but first you need to say 4 plus 3 equals to 7. Am I correct, Ricky?
Yeah.
And then think, okay, what are 2 numbers that makes 3? It's 2 and 1, but is it okay to have 2 like this?
No.
No, so that means it must be 1 and 2. See how it's easy when you group these together and find what they add up to first?
And the next one's 3.
Good. Then that means this one must be
4.
Great. So what is this one then?
The 3.
3. And now, Ricky, again, 3 plus what equals to 8? Group the 2 numbers first.
4.
No, group the 2 numbers first, Ricky. 3 plus what equals to 8?
5.
Yes, so now think of 2 numbers that you can make 5.
3 and 2.
Is this okay? Are you sure?
No.
No.
Dummy, it's 4, 1.
4 and 1, okay. But Ricky, here's my problem. 4 and 1 is okay, but also 1 and 4 is also okay. So we need to do this later, Ricky. All right?
How about 7 plus?
Okay, let's try 7 plus.
Mm, dummy. 4, 4 and 3.
Yes, 4 and 3. This is the only way because you can't have 3 at the top. Am I correct?
Yes.
Good. Okay. That means, oh, remember this was 1 and 4? This doesn't work because we
Yes.
have 4 already. So now, it's going to be 1 and 4. So what is this one then, Ricky?
1,
That means the last one is?
2.
Very good. Thank you very much, Ricky. So, does everybody now understand how to do this question? If you have 3 numbers, group them together and figure out what you need to add first and do it separately. Okay? So, that's okay, guys. If you're still not too sure, we have lots of puzzles for you to practice. So, now, this is your turn, guys. Figure out what the question mark is, but please finish the entire puzzle on your piece of paper so I can check during the break. I'll give you guys a trophy if you have puzzles in your drawings. Okay, guys, so the time is up. I still think some people need my help. So, first of all, the answer is A. So, still, not many people though. All right, now let me help. Okay, all right, Jason, let's do this together. Hello, Jason. Hello, Jason. So, Jason, what is the easiest one to do first?
I did 4 bottom right corner.
And is there any other easy ones?
And 1.
Good. Okay. And which box do you want to do next?
I did the 6 box.
Okay. What numbers can you think of? Isn't it too hard? It's 3 numbers. We need to know 3 numbers, Jason.
I did 1, 2, and 3.
1, 2, and 3. But Jason, we could also have 3 and 2 and 1 as well. How do you know it's 1, 2, 3 for sure?
It's just a prediction because there's no other boxes except one.
No, Jason. You said you want to do this one first. If you do the wrong one first, everything else will be wrong, Jason. Okay, you need to do the ones that you know. Definitely, Jason, that's the answer. So, have a look at this one, Jason. How do you make 3?
2 and 1.
Yes, Jason, does this work?
No.
No, that means it's definitely 2 and 1. Does that make sense?
Yes.
That means what is this missing number at this column?
3.
Yes, Jason, it was actually 3, not 1. So do you see why it's very important to do the ones you know for sure first? Okay, if this is 3, Jason, what do you need to add to 3 to make 6 as a group?
2 and 1.
No, I told you when you group, what do you need to add? 3 plus 3 is 6, right, Jason?
Yes.
Then you need to think, okay, so these two numbers should add up to 3. We could have 1 and 2, but is that okay?
No.
No, so it's definitely 2 and 1. So that's why your answer is A. Does that make sense, Jason?
Yes.
Now, let's finish the puzzle. Okay, what's this number over here then?
4.
Yes, that is 4. And Jason, 4 plus what equals to 9?
5.
Yes. And now, Jason, how do you make 5?
3 and 2.
Yes. 3 and 2, not 2 and 3. Why? What's wrong with 2 and 3? Because we already have 2. So, yes, Jason, it's going to be 3 and 2, which means this one over here is going to be
1.
and that means this is
2.
and that means this is going to be
3.
and this one over here is
4.
yes. And now this one,
3.
the last one is Jason.
4.
Yes. So see, Jason, you need to do the ones you know definitely first, okay? But good job, Jason. It takes a little bit of practice. But now, everybody, do you see why it's very important to do the ones you know definitely sure first? Okay, so let's do some more harder puzzles. What about this one, guys? Yes, thank you very much, Livy. And now, So, okay, let's have Donya. All right, Donya. Hello, Donya.
Hello.
What do you want to do first?
I'm not sure.
You're not sure? Did you forget the rules? Oh my God, Donya, that's bad. So, what do you remember? What were the rules that you remember?
That the number without the sign is just a number.
Yeah, then that's the easiest one that we could do first. So, can you see any boxes with that?
I see a 3 and a 2.
Yeah, that's a good start. Okay, what does the plus sign mean? What does that mean?
We need to make that number from
By
the
adding.
boxes.
Yeah, okay, so how do you make 3 for the purple box?
2 and 1.
Is this okay?
Yes. No.
No. So it's definitely 2 and 1. So we figured out the one that we definitely know. It's for sure. Okay, have a look at this column, Donya. What are we missing?
A 4.
Yes, if this is for Donya, this one definitely is.
A 3.
4 plus 3 is 5?
A 1.
Yes. Now, let's have a look at this. How do you make 7, Donya?
4 and 3.
Yes, but is this okay?
No.
So it's the other way around. So it's definitely 4 and 3. Good. And now let's have a look at maybe let's do the 3 boxes later and let's do the easy one first. Okay, how do you make 5?
2 and 3.
Is this okay? Are you sure?
No.
So what about the other way around? Is this okay?
Yes.
No, it's not. How
4
else
and
can you
1.
make 5?
4 and 1.
4 and 1. Is this okay?
No.
No, it's the other way around. So 1 and 4. Okay, so Danya, look, easy one left. What's the missing number?
4.
And what's the missing number here?
3.
Okay, now let's group these 2 boxes together. So 4 plus the group 1 equals to 7. What's the group number?
2 and 1.
No, I asked you what's the group number. 4 plus what equals to 7?
7.
4 plus 3 equals to 7, Danya. So you need to think of the group number first and then think about, okay, how do I make 3? Well, 2 and 1. But is 2 and 1 okay?
No.
It's the other way around then. So Danya, you need to group first, okay? Now it's easy, Danya. What are we missing?
A 2.
And that means this one is
A 3.
perfect. We finished the puzzle. So do you now understand how to do this puzzle now, Danya? Okay, good. All right. Yes, Elsa, what's the matter? I can see your hand up.
Today I came late a bit and I missed out on the rules because I am sick.
That's okay, Elsa, but I saw you from the beginning. And I explained this question. Were you listening this question what I was doing with Donya?
Yeah, I was listening, but when I go with the question, I'm still quite confused.
So this is the rules. It's all here. You need to read your question, Elsa. It's your job to read the question.
I know, I need to read the questions, but I'm just confused on doing like the 7 pluses and stuff.
What does 7 plus mean?
Like a number plus a number have to equal the same number that is on the little corner.
Yes, that's right. So that's why we have 1 and 2 and 4, because 4 plus 1 is 5, 5 plus 2 is 7. But you should always start with the ones without a plus sign, because that's your answer. Okay? And you can't have the same numbers on every row or every column. All right, Elsa? Let's see if you can do the next question. If you're still struggling, let's do this together, okay?
Okay.
Okay. So now, guys, this is your turn to do this question. Find the question mark and finish the puzzle, guys. I'll give you guys 3 minutes. Okay, guys, so the time is up and well done, guys. Yes, the answer is going to be D. So this was a hard question, wasn't it? So Elsa, let's do this together. So listen carefully, Elsa. Okay?
Yep.
All right, so can you figure out what is the easiest ones to do first, Elsa?
I think the easiest one is the start of the number, which is a 3 with no plus sign on it.
Yeah.
And the 1 with no sign on it.
Now we need to find a box that we definitely know the answer. Okay, so do you think it's easy going to start with the 3 boxes or 2 boxes?
think it would be easier for 2 boxes.
All right, so how about we do the purple one? How do you make 7?
You can go by 3 plus 4 or 3 plus 4 plus 3 or 3 plus 4.
Yeah, but if we do 3 plus 4, Elsa, is this okay?
It's not okay because it already has the number 3.
So it's definitely going to be 4 and 3.
4.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And now, let's have a look at the next 2 boxes. What about, how do you make 6?
You can make it by 3 plus 3 or 2 plus 4.
But is it okay to have 3 plus 3?
No, because it already has the number 3.
Yes, what about 4 plus 2?
No, you have to put the 2 in the 4th place.
Yes.
There's already a 4 in that.
So that means the answer is D, Elsa. But let's finish this puzzle. So what are we missing at this column?
We are missing number 1.
And that means if this is definitely 1, what is this number?
3.
Good. And now, Elsa, let's check out the next 2 boxes. How do you make 5?
You can make it by 3 plus 2 or 2 plus 3.
Is this okay, Elsa?
No, you can only make it by 3 plus 2 because there's already... Wait. Yeah, you can only do that because there's already a 2 in there.
But here's my problem, Elsa. I can also do 1 and 4. Am I right?
Yep.
So maybe it's not a good idea to do this one. So we need to do this later. So, but Elsa, we have another easy box we definitely know. Have a look at this one.
The missing number would be 2.
Yes, and 2 plus what equals to 7?
2 plus 5 equals to 7.
Yes, so that means these 2 boxes needs to be 5. So how do you make 5, Elsa?
2 plus 3, but there's already a 2 in there, so you can only do 3 plus 2.
Are you sure?
But there's already a 3 in there.
So it needs to be...
So or you can do 1 plus 4.
Yes, this is the only answer. Okay, so Elsa, things are getting easy because look, what are we missing?
In this column, we are missing number 2.
Good. And 2 plus what equals to 7 again?
2 plus 5 equals to 7.
So how do you make 5?
1 plus 4.
Yes, that's right. It needs to be 1 and 4. You can't have 2 and 3 because you already have 2 3s over here. So, okay. So that means we're left with this one. What's the answer?
The answer would be 2 for this
And
one.
the last one is?
And the last one will be 3.
Yay. Well done, Elsa. So do you now understand how to do this question?
Yep.
All right. So well done, guys. And guys, raise your hand if you have puzzles to show me. All right. There's a lot of you. Okay, Jaden, show me your puzzles. Nice. Very good. Okay, so I can see you did some trials and error. Well done, Jaden. All right. Livy, yes, Livy, show me your puzzle.
I did them digitally, so can
Yes.
I post them in the chat?
Yep, show me in the chat. You can post it.
This is the first one.
Nice.
I did 3. I didn't ask because I really love doing this.
Oh, yeah? Okay. All right. So Liddy, it's very good. Looks very good to me. Well done. Thank you very much. And yes, Audrey. Let's have a look, Audrey. Ooh, with colors as well. Well done, Audrey. That looks awesome. Thank you, Audrey. And Melody. Let's have a look, Melody. Nice and big. I love big puzzles, Melody. Well done. Thank you very much. Yeah, it looks very good. And Jeffrey. All right, Jeffrey. Let's have a look, Jeffrey.
So this one,
I love how it's very big,
one.
Jeffrey. Nice.
this one.
Very good. Yes, it's all over the places. Okay. Well done, Jeffrey. Do you like these puzzles?
Yeah.
Yep, I can tell. All right, so we have many other more people. Okay, Catherine, let's have a look, Catherine. Nice, very neat. Okay, well done, Catherine. Thank you very much. All right, so let's have a look at Grace. Yes, Grace. Nice colors, Grace. Perfect. Well done, Grace. Isabella? Yep. Nice. I love how it's really big. Well done, Isabella. And Isaac? Yes, Isaac? Wow, we have so many people.
Mine's a bit small.
That's okay.
Oh, this thing's in the way.
But very neat. Okay, well done, Isaac. Make sure you write the plus signs as well. But anyways, good. And Iris? Yes, Iris? Nice. You used a ruler. Perfect. Well done, Iris. Okay, Janet. Yes, Janet, let's have a look. Yes, very nice and neat as well, Janet. Thank you very much. All right. Oh, so many people, guys. Okay, let's have Mohan. Yes, very nice, Mohan. Yes, you used the boxes. Yes, that's the way to go. Well done, Mohan. And Yancy. Okay, Yancy, let's have a look, Yancy.
Actually, I did it visually. Can I post it in the chat?
Oh, yep, sure. Yep.
Okay. Um,
Yep, I have opened the chat box.
okay. I don't get it.
Okay, you can post it in the chat box, Yancy. I'll check later. All right, so yep, Sherlock. Let's have a look, Sherlock. Very nice. Excellent. Wow. Perfect labeling, Sherlock. Okay, so yes, guys. Now I know there's a lot more people, but guys, if I were checking everybody, we can't do the other puzzles. Let's do some more puzzles. How does that sound? I'll check later after the lesson if we have more time, okay? I promise. All right. Yes, Yancy, well done. Thank you very much. Okay, so now, guys. Now this time we're going to multiply, not plus. We're going to multiply. Have a look at this one, guys. So it's easy that this one number 3, but now it's multiply. So how do you make 2? Well, 1 times 2, but we don't know. It could be 2 times 1 as well, guys. So let's have a look at the bottom one. How do you make 6? 1 times 6. But guys, are we allowed to have 6? Are you sure? Is it okay to have 6? No. So it's going to be 3 times 2. But is this okay? Are we okay to have 3? That's right, Danya. It should be 2 times 3. That means we're missing a 1. That means it needs to be 2. That means this is 1. And that means we're missing a 2. Guys, look. Once we fill out everything, it becomes natural. And just check. Is 1 times 2? That's 2. 2 times 3 is 6. 6 times 1 is 6. So, okay. So, same rules, but just multiplication, guys. So, are you ready to do the multiplication puzzles, guys? Good. All right. Yes. So, what's the missing number, guys? I'll give you guys 2 minutes only for this one because it's a small puzzle. Okay, guys, so the time is up. And now the answer is actually C. Well done, guys. And now let's do this quickly because I don't want to make sure. I want to make sure we check all your pictures. Okay. So now everybody should know the easiest one is number 1. Am I correct, guys? And then I should do this one because how do you make 2? 2 times 1, but is this okay, guys? Is 2 times 1 okay? Or is it the other way around? It's the other way around. Yes, that's right. 1 times 2. Now that means, what's the missing number here, guys? 3. That means this one is what? That's right. It's going to be 1. All right. And now, guys, how do you make 6? What time is 1 times 6 okay, guys? Is this okay? No? All right. It's no, Isabella, because you already have 1 and you can't have 6. You can only have 1 and 2 and 3. So what about this one? 3 times 2. Is this okay? No, it should be 2 times 3, yes. So what's the last missing number here then? It's going to be 3. Yep, that means this is going to be 2, so your answer is C. Well done, guys, well done. So now let's do some bigger puzzles. Oh my god, guys, really, really difficult. So now who can help me for this question? Okay, let's have Phoebe. Hello, Phoebe. Oops. Let's have Phoebe. Hello, Phoebe.
My name is actually Camille.
Oh, it's Cammy, isn't it? Camille. It's Camille, isn't it?
Yeah.
Okay, let me change it for you. Camile.
Yeah.
Like this, right?
Camille.
Oh. Camille. Camille. Like this, right?
Mm-hmm.
All right, so what do we do first?
Find the numbers with no operation.
Yeah, which is?
So 3 and 2.
Very good. And now what do you want to do next?
Four times.
This one? Okay. What are the two numbers, do you think? What numbers can you think, Camille?
2.
2 times 2? Are you sure that's okay?
No.
No. Then?
1 times 4.
1 times 4? Yeah, that will work, but don't you think 4 and 1 will also work as well?
Yeah.
So it's not the good one. We need to do this later. Is that right, Camille? Alright, so let's choose a different box. Which one would you like to choose?
Three times.
This one? Okay. But again, 1 and 3, 3 and 1 both works. We need to do this one later again, Camille. Oh my god, which one is the right box? This one, let's try this one. How do you make 12, Camille?
6 and 2.
Is it okay to have 6? Are you sure?
3 and 4.
Yes, 3 and 4, but is that okay? Or is it the other way around?
The other way around.
Good. So it's going to be 4 and 3. And yes, Camille, have a look. It's the easy one. What are we missing?
1.
That means this must be
2.
Yeah, 1 times 2 is 2. And now, Camille, what are we missing over here? Well, you said 1 and 4, but 4 and 1 still work, right? So we need to do this one later, Camille. So it's always hard to find which one to do first. So now, Camille, how about we look at the green box? How do you make 8, Camille?
4 times 2.
Yes, but is this okay, Camille, or is it the other way around?
The other way around.
Yes, it's definitely going to be 2 and 4. So now, Camille, yay! What are we missing?
1,
That means this one needs to be.
2,
That means this one needs to be.
1,
And this one needs to be.
4.
Okay, all right. Then which one would you like to do? 12 or 3?
3,
Okay, how do you make 3?
1 times 3.
Yeah, is it 1 and 3 or is it going to be 3 and 1?
Actually, I want to do 12.
Okay, that's fine. How do you make 12?
3 and 4.
3 and 4 or is it 4 and 3? Which one?
3 and 4.
Yes, it's going to be 3 and 4 because we already have 4 over here. All right, Camille, now it's easy ones. So what are we missing then?
1,
Good, and the last one is?
3.
Yes, but the puzzles are becoming harder and harder, don't you think, Camille?
Yeah.
Yeah, but that's okay. You just need a little bit more practice. And guys, let's see if you guys ready for the next challenge, which is this one. Good luck, everybody. 3 minutes. Okay, guys, the time is up. And now the answer is actually D. So well done, guys, for answering D. Well done. I can see we have a lot of people with good answers now. And let me help. Okay, so we have. Sorry, let me give me. So this is Jeremy. Okay, we have two Jeremy, but hello, Jeremy. Can you tell me what your family name is? What's your last name?
Yang.
Oh, it's Jeremy Yang. Okay, so hello, Jeremy Yang. Let me help you. All right, hello, Jeremy Yang. Now, let's do this question together. First of all, have I given out the trophies? Yes, I have. And now, all right, Jeremy, what is the easy one to do first?
1 and 4.
Yes, that's good. And here's the problem. Okay, now it's always hard to figure out what to do next. Which box did you decide to do next?
Do the 2 times.
This one? I think this one is easy, Jeremy. How do you make 2?
1.
1 times 2. But is this okay?
No.
No, so it's definitely 1 times 2 like this. Would you agree?
Mm-hmm.
Now, what about 3 times?